Hello everyone. So if you want to block unwanted emails in your Gmail, here's how to do that. So first of all, make sure to open up your Gmail, whether you're using browser or you're using your mobile application. I'm gonna go with the mobile application. After that, simply locate the Gmail which you want to block. There it is. Now, in order to perform the blocking, you're to tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and after that simply press block. Now this sender is blocked, and basically that's it. All the new messages from the sender are gonna appear in the spam chats. So how do you find the spam chats? Tap on the three lines at the top left corner, press spam, and you will locate everything new. The sender won't be able to send you media, links, nothing like that. So basically, that's it. If you want to unblock the sender, you are to open up your Gmail once again, choose the same chat, tap on the three dots at the top right corner, press unblock, and all of the new messages which are maybe going to receive gonna appear in your inbox. So to check your inbox, as usual, this is your basically primary inbox. Tap three lines, all inboxes for all of the inboxes. And basically that is it. So I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.